that was all shoveled off a few minutes ago. Or maybe not a few minutes ago, but you get the idea, right? So I think the blizzard's here. We will go out towards the snow gauge. Whoa. Alright, so here's my, by the way, my normal snow measuring spot. It is not quite 12, not quite 11. That's okay. Check this out. Here we go. Here we go. Good God. There we go. 20. I'll do it again. 20.3. 19.5. Alright, here we go. We'll move over a little bit. Oh my goodness. Alright, here we go. $20.9, 21. Oh, I messed it up. There we go. Well, you can see it's some decent snow, eh? Alright, let's walk around the rest of the house. Walk through 20. Can you guys see the ripples in the snow? Alright, here we go. Here we go. Woohoo! Still 21. All right. Oh, let's try this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Why was it 24 right there? I don't know. All right, keep going. Wow. Just in case you wondered what it takes to walk around and stuff like this, it's not that cold, really doesn't, but it's fun to, play in the snow. Whoa! That's what that looks like. For a guy who's 6'3". Oh, there you go. Check that out. 26-inch drift. In the Great Blizzard of 2019. There we go. Not too bad. And not in the ice, just the driveway. 17. Hand is so cold. So cold. Alright. Neighbors probably got the biggest drift. I have no idea how the other people are going to get out of their door or their driveway. But I have to go measure this. Let's check it out. Here we go. You guys ready? Here we go. Ultimate drift. There you go. There you go. That's 3 feet of snow, folks. That is 3 feet of snow. hand, it's red. It's almost time to go. We'll go back around this way. Whew. This is a great experience. Hey, by the way, don't eat the yellow snow.